Hi everyone, my name is Moral and I'm an audiologist working at Oticon headquarters in Denmark. I've been involved, alongside my colleagues, in the rollout of Oticon Intent, and I'm happy to be here today to answer two questions that you may have. One being, what is LE audio? And the second being, how is Oticon Intent supporting this future-ready standard? Let's start with a clear and easy definition of LE audio. Simply put, it's a new Bluetooth audio standard designed for low-power wireless devices, including hearing aids. It's intended to improve power efficiency and audio quality. LE audio enables new capabilities in hearing aids, allowing two-way streaming and hands-free communication for Android. Now to our second question. How is Oticon Intent supporting LE audio? Oticon Intent next-generation Bluetooth LE audio leads the way in connectivity. We are bringing new capabilities to the market. Users can embrace an all-round enhanced experience with audio streaming directly to their hearing aids and hands-free calls from their iPhone, iPad, LE audio-compatible Android and PC devices, without the need for any intermediary devices. In this way, we're bridging the gap between technology and accessibility for people with hearing loss. They can now enjoy the same benefits of Bluetooth audio with their hearing aids as with standard headphones or earbuds, to experience hands-free calls, listening to music, or streaming their favorite series. We like to say, engage in life like never before. Now, let's engage in the digital world like never before with Oticon Intent.